Most vehicles have washer liquid spray as shown. Connect the silicone cap onto the aluminium tube. Connect the other end of the aluminium tube with a 0.76 meter PE hose. Repeat this for the other 3 aluminium tubes. Attach the washer liquid aluminium tube labeled as A on the top part of the wiper blade. Make sure the 0.3 mm holes, which are in red, is facing 90 degrees to the windscreen. Attach another cable tie to secure the aluminium tube in place. Using a scissors, cut the remaining cable tie. The aluminium rod that is labeled as B is for the air application. Repeat same attachment process on the bottom side of the wiper blade. Put the wiper blade into place and repeat this procedure for the second wiper. Connect the nozzle onto the air compressor hose. Connect the 2.3 meter PE hose onto the nozzle. Place the air compressor under the passenger seat. Push the PE hose through an outlet placed under the dashboard of the car into the engine bay. Tighten the PE hose by placing it under the car floor mat. Connect the 2.3 meter PE hose to the inlet of a pneumatic T-pipe connector. The remaining outlets are connected to the aluminium tubes that supplies air. Power cable is brought from the car cabin into the engine bay to get connected to the 12 volts car battery. Attach the air compressor remote control behind the steering wheel with an adhesive. Find the original washer tank hose to detach it from the Y connector and connect it to the inlet of a T-pipe connector. The remaining outlets are connected to the aluminium tubes that dispenses washer liquid. This is the overall layout of all the connections. The air compressor placed under the seat, power cable is connected to car battery, the compressor hose connected to a pneumatic T-pipe connector which is fixed to the aluminium tubes of label B, the original washer tank hose connected to a T-pipe connector which is fixed to the aluminium tubes of label A. As observed, this is much better compared to the initial spray.